आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जैसे कि मैंने अभी शुरू किया है आप लोगों का मैथमेटिक्स, तो 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के लिए फर्स्ट लेसन रैशनल एंड इर्रेशनल नंबर्स पार्ट 1 मैथमेटिक्स, इसके 2 पार्ट ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिए हैं मैंने। आज अपलोड कर रही हूँ पार्ट 3। ओके, और मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप और बहुत स्लोली जा रही हूँ ताकि अच्छे से आप लोगों के दिमाग में एक एक पॉइंट बराबर से बैठ जाए और आप कभी भी ना भूले इसे। और आप लोगों को भी प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ऐसे नहीं है कि एक बार सम आ गया तो फिर आप हो गए बिंदास और बोलेंगे अरे हम लोग को तो आ गया, हम लोग को सर ने बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया, अभी हम लोग को कुछ प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो ऐसे नहीं चलेगा। ओके, क्या होता है इसमें, एक मराठी में एक कहावत है, पुढचं पाठ नि मागचं सपाट। तो ऐसे नहीं करना है हम लोगों को। पिछला अगर याद रखोगे तो आगे के जो सम्स है वो सॉल्व करने में आप लोगों को आसानी होगी। ओके, और यही सब रिपीट होने वाला है आप लोगों को एसएससी तक। ओके, एसएससी में आप लोगों ने 5th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके 9th स्टैंडर्ड तक क्या क्या सीखा है उसका रिपीट होने वाला है। तो हर एक पॉइंट आप लोग याद रखिए, ठीक है। और आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं पार्ट 3 में क्या। तो चलो फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं।
So today we are going to study decimal representation of rational numbers. So let's learn. If we use decimal fractions while dividing the numerator of a rational number by denominator, we get the decimal representation of a rational number. For example, 7/4 is equal 1.75. In this case, after dividing 7 by 4, the remainder is 0. Hence, the process of division ends. Such a decimal form of a rational number is called a terminating decimal form. We know that every rational number can be written in a non-terminating recurring decimal form. For example, now what do you mean by non-terminating recurring decimal form? Okay, if you divide 7 by 6, then you will find the number 1.16666666666 will repeat. Okay, therefore to stop that 6 we have to put only one dot. Okay, this is called non-terminating recurring decimal form. You will study about this in 9th standard. Okay, now see, they have done here 7/6 is equal 1.166666. So therefore to stop 6 continuing they have put a dot on the 6. Okay, now here see this second example also. 5/6 is equal 0.833333. 3 is continuing, therefore they have put 0.83, and because 3 is continuing therefore they have put dot on 3. Okay, so the third example is also like this. Let us see the fourth example. What is fourth example? Now let us see. 22/7 is equal 3.142857142857. Okay, what is this? This is a value of pi. If we divide this is value of pi. So this will repeat. Okay, therefore they have put dot dot dot. They are not written many more times. Okay, so see, if the number repeats then you have to put bar. See here the number repeating is 142857, and here 142857. Then what will come? 142857, 142857, 142857. So therefore here they have put a bar. Okay, this is called bar. Okay, and see the fifth example also. 23/99 is equal 0.2323232323. Therefore they have put here 0.23 bar. Okay, now see here. Similarly, a terminating decimal form can be written as a non-terminating recurring decimal form. For example, 7/4 is equal 1.75 is equal 1.7500000000. Okay, therefore 0 is continuing, therefore they have put a dot here. Okay, now let us move ahead. See here practice set 1.3. First, write the following rational numbers in decimal form. What do you mean by decimal form? Decimal form means we have to divide this number with this. Okay, how it's possible? But we divide the number, we divide this number with 9 divided by 37. So it is possible. Okay, no, but we have to divide it like this. So how the answer would be? Let us see. Okay, so now let us see how we would divide this. Okay, so 37 zeros is 0. Okay, therefore here 0 will come. So we would put here minus sign. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Of course you all know. Therefore, because now we can't divide this, therefore we will put here a point. So meaning of the point is, if we subtract this number, then here automatically 0 will come. Okay, so 37 2s is 74. Now we will write 74 and subtract 74. Okay, then the answer we will get is 16. So because here is point, then we would the 0 will come automatically here. Okay, then now 37 4s is 148. 37 4s 148. Okay, now if we subtract 148 from 160, then the answer we will get is 12. So because of point, the 0 will automatically come here. So 37 3s is 111. So we will subtract this and we will get the answer 9. Okay, so repeating, so here come 9. So we will put so because of point, here come 0. Okay, then we will do these steps. Then 74, we will minus 74. Then the answer will come 16. Then it will repeat. Okay, now what will come? 120. Therefore this will repeat. Okay, so therefore the question will also repeat. So therefore 243 it will come. So therefore what we will do is, we will write the question first. 9 upon 37 is equal 0.243 bar. Why? This is repeating. Okay, 243 is repeating. So therefore we will put here bar. Okay, now in this way only you have to do this all sums. Okay, so tomorrow we will study about irrational numbers. Okay, so thank you. Stay home, stay safe.